guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, in less than 3 minutes, you're going to see how I make a super moisturizing cream with a twist. So first I use a new find Cantu Shea Butter, which really strengthens the hair and moisturizes it. And then I have my all-time favorite, the ALIKAY Naturals Parfait. And this is awesome, guys, and it smells wonderful. And I came up with this idea because I saw recently Miss Sahel's video on her CHÉBÉUSA routine, and she included some ingredients that I don't have, so I went ahead and made my own version. This is the Hydrating Curl Iron Lotion from ALIKAY Naturals, and it has cocoa butter and vitamin E and also watermelon, and it won't weigh your hair down. And it also has aloe vera juice. Check out my recipe in terms of portions down below. This also smells really good, so just give it a quick mix and we'll continue adding some more ingredients. So the next thing I add is a hair adrenaline DIY castor oil that I made as well. I'll also put a link to the recipe for this down below. And then ostrich oil, and of course beef tallow, guys. Can't make this without some of the basic moisturizing oils and creams, and this is one of my favorites. Now Miss Sahel, she made her own, and I didn't have all the ingredients that she has, so I'm just pulling this together. This is the CHÉBÉUSA powder that I received free from CHÉBÉUSA USA. Yes, and I only added probably about half a teaspoon, and I received it for free because I told them that I would give a review of their products. So I'm also adding a little bit, probably about 2 teaspoons of the CHÉBÉUSA ostrich oil. I'm going to mix this in, and what you have here is a nice creamy mixture. And that's about it, guys. And here you have a nice creamy recipe under 3 minutes. See you in my next video.